How to turn on and off camera flash on iPhone running on iOS 26. Guys, this is very simple. Go ahead and tap on the camera. Once tap on the camera, you have it here. So the first thing you have to tap on this button here. Once tap on that button, you have the flashlight here. So you can tap on it here, guys, to turn the flash on. Then you can tap on it to turn it off. Now you've done that under the photo, then you can manually come up to this place and tap on the flashlight. Then you can as well tap on it here, guys, to turn it off. Then under the video, tap on the video button. It comes up like this, guys. So you can tap on this button to bring out the flashlight here. Tap on it, guys, to turn it on, then or auto. Then tap on it again to turn it off. Then as well, you can just come over to this place, tap on it to turn it on auto. Then tap on it, guys, to turn it off. That's all the simple process, guys, on how to turn on and off camera flash on iPhone on iOS 26 beta. If you enjoyed this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.